Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to tag people on YouTube Shorts. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically the first thing you will need to do is to go to your YouTube studio so you can be able to manage your Shorts content or your YouTube content. So basically here, after going to your studio, you will be needing to have your Shorts, etc. You can start creating your shorts by going to your YouTube and add your shorts video. So from here now, you will be able to start tagging people. All you need to do is to start editing on your YouTube shorts. To do so, either you can click on your YouTube video or in your shorts, and from here you will be able to see all the information about your shorts, and from here you can be able to edit your video. Otherwise, you can just click here on the 3 points icon by clicking here, and then you will have this menu, and then you can start clicking on edit a video. By clicking on edit video, it will take us to the same page. So from here, all you need to do is to start editing title or your description. You can do the same for a new TikTok Shorts. So when you are going to enter your title or your description, all you need to do is to add the @ symbol, and then you will need to start tagging people. So from here, you will need just to add the channel or the channel name, and you will be able to tag people. And you can do it also from the description. So you can just go here and just tag anyone. You click on the channel that you would like, and it will be tagged. So as you can see, it is already highlighted, and you can do any channel, and basically it will be tagged. So this is how you can tag people in YouTube Short. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.